Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by naming the function and the point. Write f x and x tends to a and inspect the domain immediately. Once done, perform direct substitution. If you get a finite number, stop. This is the limit. If you hit 0/0 or infinity/infinity, choose a technique. Factor common terms, multiply by a conjugate, simplify complex fractions, or prepare to apply L'Hopital's rule. Make sure to note removable verses, essential discontinuities, before proceeding to manipulation. Now carry out the chosen technique step by step. Factor numerator and denominator, then cancel any common factor causing the indeterminate 0/0. This resolves removable issues. If radicals appear, multiply by the conjugate and simplify. For complex fractions, combine into one fraction before canceling. If you have 0/0 or infinite over infinite, differentiate numerator and denominator once and reassess. Repeat L'Hopital as needed, but always check algebraic simplification first to avoid. Finally, substitute x right arrow into your simplified expression and record the resulting number. That is the limit. If substitution differs from left and right, compute one-sided limits to determine existence. When using L'Hopital, confirm the indeterminate form each time, and if the expression oscillates or has piecewise definitions, inspect intervals and continuity of pieces. If the result is still unclear, recheck algebraic cancellations. Ensure you didn't cancel 0 factors accidentally, and test values near a.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.